Hi, welcome to the OPOLab, lab, the OSSD grade 10 NPM 2D, Chapter 3, Graphs of Quadratic Relations. Section 3.5, Quadratic Models using a vector form. The last section, we already learned you use the express of the vector form. So yeah, the next section we're gonna talk about how to according to the use the value tables for the graph. Okay, let's directly to the first example. Example, we give the x value and the y value. So for the so we need to write out the vector form. So vector form is the two where we solve the two roots of the x, so it's gonna be y must be 0. So first we can easily get two value for the cause of the y is equal to 0, so we can find out the x equal to y at 5. So for the first term is the y 0 and second y is 5 0. So for the form it can write down like that. X minus y times the x times the y. Okay, so for the graph, we can label the y at 5. Okay, when we continue to notice the table, when x equal to 2 and 4, the y are same. So the 3 negative 4, we do not have the another symmetry numbers point for same. So we can get the conclusion for the 3 and the negative 4 are the vertex. So the graph can right here. Okay. So now we can plot the vertex term to solve the A. Where A times the 3 times minus y times the 3 minus 5 equal to negative 4. So for the it's gonna be 2 times the negative 2 equal to negative 4. For the A must equal to 1. So for the vector form is the x minus y times the x minus 5. Then the second one. The second one where we have the perfect square form. Let's go ahead. First, we need to take out the, there is only one value for the x, y, for the 0. The other one is two at the same. So we can conclude that the 3 0 are one of the for x intercept. Also it is the vertex point. So we can get conclusion. Okay, write out the a times the x minus 3 equal to r. Now we can plot any number here. We can use the 2 times 2. A times the 2 negative minus 3 square equal to 2. So it equal to a times the y equal to 2. We can get the calc a equal to 2. So for the relations, we can write the 2 times the a minus 3 squared. So for the graph is like that. This is the 3. This one is the 2, and this one is the 4, 2. For this one, we can do the graph first. This is why we only get for the y set. And we can take out the 3, -3 are the middle of the -2, -2. So the 3, -3 are the vertex. And we can connect them. So a general way. So how to solve the relations? You can use the general form for x times the. So we just pass the two numbers in it, and we solve the equation systems. After that, we can get the function for general where it's called y equal to x squared times the 6x plus 6. So that's the end of this section.